We are living in a world where everything wants to eat you. Sharks patrol the waters. Moray eels hide in dark crevices. Large fish scan every corner of the reef for their next meal. Now imagine surviving in that world without claws, without teeth, without armor. Instead, you survive using pure intelligence. Meet the octopus, the mysterious genius of the ocean. With 3 hearts, blue blood, and 8 incredibly flexible arms, the octopus is unlike almost any other creature on Earth. But what truly sets it apart is its mind. Many scientists believe that octopuses are the smartest invertebrates on the planet. Some researchers even say their intelligence rivals that of animals like dogs, or even some primates. They can solve puzzles, escape sealed containers, use tools, and even recognize individual humans. But how did a creature so strange become one of the most intelligent animals in the ocean? And what secrets does the octopus mind still hide? Let's dive deep into the fascinating world of the ocean's smartest predator. The octopus belongs to a group of animals called cephalopods. This group also includes squid, cuttlefish, and the mysterious nautilus. But among them, the octopus stands out as the most intelligent and the most flexible. Unlike fish, octopuses have no bones at all. Their bodies are completely soft. This means they can squeeze through holes as small as a coin. In fact, if an octopus can fit its beak, the only hard part of its body, through a gap, the rest of its body can follow. This ability makes them nearly impossible to trap. But the octopus isn't just flexible, it's incredibly complex. Inside its body are 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills. The third pumps blood to the rest of the body. And unlike humans, octopuses have blue blood. This unusual color comes from a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin, which helps them transport oxygen in cold, low-oxygen water. But the most fascinating part of the octopus is its nervous system. Because unlike most animals, the octopus doesn't keep all its intelligence in its brain. Humans have about 86 billion neurons in our brains. An octopus has around 500 million neurons. That might sound small compared to humans, but here's the strange part. Only about 1/3 of those neurons are in the brain. The rest are in the arms. Each arm contains thousands of neurons that allow it to act almost independently. This means each arm can taste, touch, and explore the environment on its own. In some ways, it's as if an octopus has 8 mini-brains working together. Scientists have observed octopus arms doing incredibly complex things. An arm can search for food while the octopus looks in another direction. Another arm might be opening a shell, and another might be preparing to defend against predators, all at the same time. This decentralized intelligence is one of the most unique nervous systems in the entire animal kingdom. But intelligence isn't just about neurons, it's about behavior, and octopuses behave in ways that have shocked scientists for decades. If there's one thing octopuses are famous for, it's escaping. Aquariums around the world have struggled to contain them. One famous octopus named Inky became an internet legend. In 2016, at an aquarium in New Zealand, Inky managed to escape his tank during the night. He squeezed through a small opening, slid across the floor, and found a drain pipe that led directly to the ocean. By morning, he was gone, completely free. Stories like this are surprisingly common. Octopuses have been known to open jars, unscrew lids, and even dismantle aquarium equipment. In laboratory experiments, scientists often place food inside sealed containers to test problem-solving ability. Many octopuses solve the puzzle in minutes. They twist the lid open with their arms, pull the food out, and then sometimes escape the tank afterward. This level of problem-solving shows something remarkable. Octopuses are not just acting on instinct, they are learning. Another sign of intelligence is the ability to adapt instantly to the environment. And when it comes to camouflage, octopuses are the undisputed champions of the ocean. Their skin contains specialized cells called chromatophores. These tiny cells can expand or contract to change the octopus's color in milliseconds. But color is only part of the story. Octopuses can also change the texture of their skin. They can go from smooth to rough, creating bumps that mimic rocks, coral, or seaweed. Some species can even imitate other animals. The mimic octopus is famous for this ability. It can transform its body shape to resemble venomous sea snakes, lionfish, or flatfish. This kind of deception requires not just biology, but also awareness of predators and surroundings. It's a form of strategic thinking. For many years, scientists believed that only humans and a few primates could use tools. But the octopus proved them wrong. Researchers discovered a species called the veined octopus collecting coconut shells from the ocean floor. The octopus carries the shells for long distances. Then, when danger approaches, it assembles the shells into a protective shelter. This behavior is considered true tool use. The octopus is preparing for future threats. That means it's thinking ahead in time, which is something only highly intelligent animals typically do. In laboratory tests, octopuses have demonstrated incredible learning abilities. Scientists have trained octopuses to solve mazes, open complex containers, distinguish shapes and colors, remember solutions to puzzles. Some octopuses even learn by watching other octopuses solve problems. This type of learning is called observational learning. It's extremely rare among invertebrates. But perhaps the most surprising discovery is that octopuses can recognize individual humans. In some experiments, different researchers fed the octopus or gently touched it. Even when they wore identical clothing, the octopus could tell the difference between them, sometimes spraying water at the person it didn't like. Yes, octopuses can hold grudges. Play is often considered a sign of high intelligence. Dogs play, dolphins play, humans play, and surprisingly, octopuses play too. In one famous experiment, scientists placed a floating pill bottle inside an octopus tank. Instead of ignoring it, the octopus repeatedly pushed the bottle into the water current and watched it float back, over and over again, just like a toy. This behavior had no survival purpose. It was simply play, which suggests curiosity and awareness. Many scientists describe octopus intelligence as alien, not because it's simple, but because it evolved completely differently from our own. The ancestors of octopuses split from vertebrates over 500 million years ago. That means their intelligence evolved independently. Two completely different paths, leading to complex minds. Some researchers even speculate that if octopuses lived longer lives and formed social groups, they might have developed civilizations in the ocean. But there's one heartbreaking fact about octopuses. Despite their incredible intelligence, they live very short lives. Most species live only 1 to 2 years. After mating, the female octopus guards her eggs without eating. She protects them for months until they hatch, and soon after, she dies. Her entire life dedicated to the next generation. One of the most fascinating things about octopuses is their vision. Octopus eyes are extremely advanced and surprisingly similar to human eyes. In fact, scientists often compare them to camera lenses because they focus light in a very similar way. However, there is something strange about octopus vision. Octopuses are believed to be colorblind. At first, this confused scientists. If octopuses cannot see color, how can they match the colors of coral, sand, and rocks so perfectly? Recent research suggests they may detect color in a completely different way. Some scientists believe octopuses use light polarization and subtle changes in light waves to sense color even without traditional color vision. In other words, they may see the world in a way humans cannot even imagine. Their pupils are also unique. Instead of round pupils like humans, octopuses have horizontal slit pupils that help them control the amount of light entering the eye. This helps them see clearly in both bright and dim underwater environments. An octopus arm is incredibly powerful. Each arm contains hundreds of suction cups, also called suckers. These suckers allow the octopus to grip almost any surface. But they do more than just stick to objects. Each sucker has taste receptors. That means octopuses can literally taste with their arms. When an octopus touches something on the ocean floor, it can instantly detect whether it is food. This ability helps them hunt crabs, clams, and other hidden prey. Octopuses are ambush predators. They got a hunting strategy. Instead of chasing prey over long distances, they rely on stealth and intelligence. A typical hunt might look like this. The octopus slowly crawls across the reef. Its skin changes color to match the surrounding rocks. It moves almost invisibly through the coral. Then suddenly, in a fraction of a second, it launches forward. Its arms wrap around the prey, trapping it instantly. If the prey has a hard shell, like a crab, the octopus uses its sharp beak to break through. Some species even inject venom to paralyze their prey. One species, the blue-ringed octopus, carries venom strong enough to kill humans. Despite being only the size of a golf ball, its venom can stop breathing within minutes. In the dark depths of the ocean lives a creature that challenges everything we thought we knew about intelligence. A creature with 8 arms, 3 hearts, and a mind unlike any other on Earth. The octopus reminds us that intelligence doesn't always look like us. Sometimes it hides in the shadows of the reef, watching, learning, waiting, and proving that the ocean still holds mysteries far beyond our imagination.